Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tip Tuesday, but before we start, for those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Krishna and I talk about makeup, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, anything that comes my way. So if you're interested in that, then please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, let's get started. Today we're going to learn a new technique of bronzing. I learned this trick from Jamie. I don't know the second name, but I will leave a link below to her channel and her video wherein she talks about this, so you can go check it out. So yeah, I'm just going to take a bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and on this side I'm going to do it how I normally would bronze my face, just like below the cheekbone and a bit over here. I'm going to darken it a bit just for the video purpose so that you guys can see it better, because otherwise, in this lighting it's not gonna show up as much. So this is what I would normally do. This is how I would bronze my face. But now what she does is like apply the bronzer a bit higher than your normal, than normally where you would. So I'm just going to take a little bit on the same brush and place it. See, over here. I've placed it over here and I'm going to apply it above the cheekbone, just on the cheekbones. Just going to blend that out a bit and then join it like this. And if you have eyeshadow, you can join it like this also. I'm not wearing any right now, so yeah. Basically what this does is it lifts off the face instantly. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it here. My face is dragged down and on this side my cheek looks lifted, and that is where exactly I would apply the blush also and the highlighter, so that it's kind of a nice, everything marries together, goes together nicely. So yeah, this is the trick. See, over here I would apply the blush and stuff. So this is what I learned, and I am trying to incorporate this technique into my makeup routine these days, and I am honestly loving it. So I wanted you guys to know it as well. And yeah, I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.